Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Campbell North, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Monroe County in south central Kentucky, east central Allen County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Barron County in south central Kentucky until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northeast of Scottsville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fountain Run, Dry Fork, Etoile, Peter Creek, Austin, Tracy, Cooktown, and Lamb. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for Rhea County in East Tennessee, Bledsoe County in East Tennessee, until noon Eastern Daylight Time, or 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Excess of 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dayton, Pikeville, Graysville, Evansville, Paleo, Fall Creek Falls State Park, Brayton, Old Washington, Mount Crest, and Old Cumberland. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.